Hello friends, once again welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. Today I am here with a new topic, figures of speech. I think you know very well about this topic. Figures of speech are mainly used especially in poem, just to I can say showing the language in different way, and they makes language I can say more effective. And somewhere they are used in other parts, but mainly they are used in poem. Now see what mean by figure of speech. Figure of speech is a word or phrase having a meaning other than its literal meaning. Figure of speech is what? It is a word or phrase and which is having one more meaning, that is the literal meaning. It conveys, means expresses meaning by identifying or comparing one thing to another. It expresses meaning by identifying or comparing. Identifying anything or comparing one thing with the another. Now, so an example is there in front of you. And the definition which I said, you remember one thing there. Means by figure of speech is what? It modifies language. It makes more beautiful the language, and that is mainly used in poem, because in the poem I can say the language should be more effective, attractive, beautiful, so it is used in poem. Just where somewhere it gives a different meaning, the poem, the lines give different meaning by use of figure of speech, and they really make it more attractive. See the example, he ran like a horse down the street. If I am saying he ran, okay, he ran down the street, it is a simple sentence. What is it? He ran like a horse. Here I am comparing one person's running skill with what? With a horse animal. He ran like a horse down the street. Here is what I use the like term just to compare that person's running style with a horse. It is called the figure of speech. And there are many figure of speech are there. Some important ones just I am showing you. Not don't think that only this is part one video. I will try to cover most all important figure of speech just in my future videos. There are near about 100 figure of speech are there, but some important 18-20 are there that I will cover, especially my videos in future which will get. Now see on the screen, there are of many types of speech. Some important ones are as follow. First is simile. Simile is the used direct comparison between two different things or objects. When we are comparing two different things or objects, and remember one thing, it is introduced by like or as. Remember it. These two words are used just to present simile. See the example. Life is like a dream. Here the life and dream both are different things, but they are compared with each other with the help of which word? Like. So life is like a dream. And students who write the explanation, especially in the school or college, they have to write in this way, that in this sentence two different things, two different terms, life and dream, are are directly compared with each other for the poetic effect. I'm repeating, in this sentence life and dream, two different things, are directly compared with each other with the help of the word like. Same way you can explain especially others also. Now try to understand how you identify simile. So remember these two words. Whenever anything is compared, like as word is there. He fought like a lion and won the battle. Here the person's fighting is compared with the lion. As clever as crystal. Don't be confused. Starting as is coming with the term. See the middle as is here, no? It is showing the comparison. Clarity, as clear as crystal. Clarity is compared with the crystal. As wise as an owl. Wiseness is compared with the owl. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Here this line is used in the poem. If the poet is saying that I wandered lonely as a cloud. Here wandering is compared with the person's wandering is compared with the wandering of floating of cloud. So first simile is clear. Direct comparison. Direct comparison means these words will be there, like and. Just okay, I'm going ahead with the second one. You will understand that both are similar. Only some basic differences there. Now see. Second one, metaphor. Metaphor is like simile. Only remember two things. Indirect comparison between two different things or objects without the use of words like as. Like, see the example, life is a dream. I said, simile is direct comparison and like as word was there. Here is the indirect comparison and like as word will not be there. Okay, so this is only, I can say, this is the only one difference is there. Like as word, if you're using it is simply, otherwise metaphor. Life is a dream. Here life is compared with a dream, indirect. If the life is like a dream is there, it is simply. So life is a dream, both are different and they are compared with each other, indirect comparison. So here in this sentence, life and dream both are just indirectly compared with each other. Next example. All the world is a stage. Here the world is compared with the stage. Children are the most beautiful flowers in the garden of life. With children are compared with the beautiful flowers. A camel is the sheep of the desert. Here the camel is compared with the sheep. Heart of stone. Here stone is different and heart is different. Both we can't compare. But both are compared here indirectly. So here the heart is compared with the stone. Okay. So this difference you got. Simile, direct comparison with the help of like as, metaphor, indirect without the use of like or as. Next. Next is the alliteration. Alliteration is what? Alliteration is the repetition of an initial sound or letter. For alliteration, remember one thing. Here, what do we do? Here, just we identify the first letter. What is the repetition of an initial sound or letter? In the word first letter giving which sound? And if it is repeated, it is alliteration. Simple language, repetition of an initial sound or letter just in a sentence. See, Nick needed new notebooks. See, total I used here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are used here. See, Nick N first letter, needed N, new N notebook. So more than one. If the more than one same letter repeated, first letter, it is alliteration. Here 4 are there. So in this sentence, the letter N is repeated 4 times. Second, she sells seashells by the seashore. See here starting S 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Next, the baker, the butcher and the barber bought brown belt and black shoes for their birthday. See here, baker B, butcher B, barber B, bought B, brown B, belt B, black first letter B, and last birthday first letter B. So here the B letter is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Walter wondered where Winnie was. See here W 5 times. First letter. So remember one thing. Where the first letter is repeated, first letter sound, first alphabet repeated, there is alliteration. Fred fried frogs. F 3 times. So repetition of an initial sound or letter is called alliteration. If sound or letter repeated, it is alliteration. And next one is also similar to this one. What is written here? Repetition. Where the repetition is possible, repetition of a word or phrase or line. Alliteration, what I taught you, repetition of a letter. Here the repetition of a word or phrase or line. Now see, rain, rain, go away. See the rain term here repeated 2 times. Okay, some students might say, sir, alliteration also possible. Yes. Where repetition is the alliteration, 100% will be there. But where alliteration is the repetition, chances, I can't say that chances, full 100% chances are there. So rain, rain, go away. Here the repetition, because in this sentence, rain term repeated 2 times for poetic effect. Second, land of our birth, our faith, our pride, our 3 times. Little lamb, where do you go? Here little and lamb both are repeated 2 times. Long, long ago there lived a king. Here the long repeated 2 times. home, home, sweet home. Home 3 times. So by this way you can understand the alliteration and repetition, simile metaphor. Okay, and remaining figures of speech, just yeah, I will show you especially in my future videos. And I can see, if you have not subscribed my channel, just please like my videos, subscribe it and share with your friends. Once again I can say thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.